Alright guys, so we've shown you all these classics that we've done, all the real cool stuff, the Izetta, the Jeepster. Today we're going to show you what we do every day as well, which is a kind of a run-of-the-mill collision job. The beauty about Conquest is that you get the same craftsmen that are capable of pulling off the miracles that we've shown you before on those classics, working on your everyday collision stuff. Like this RAV4 here. This is a late model RAV4 2017. Normal traffic situation, got ran into in the back. We took it apart, found out what was wrong with it. You've got obviously right here, you can see there was a big collision here in this rear body panel. Both panels actually. And we are replacing them. And James actually is replacing them. And we're going to let James talk a little bit about what he's doing.
So basically this is a 2017 RAV4 and it was involved in a little rear-end altercation, and so what we're doing is replacing the rear body, the outer and the inner body panel, and these are sort of a little intricate on the corners. There's several pieces that are sandwiched in, and so you have to do a little extra work to get the inner one in, and once that is done we'll put the outer one on, and we're going to replace the rear body gate, which as you can see has got some damage as well, which we're replacing that. So once this is all replaced and that's welded in, we'll be sending it to the paint department and get some color back on it.